Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a really powerful yet less known feature in CATIA, the reorder feature. When working with multiple features, the order in which they are created is very important. If the sequence isn't correct, you might end up with unexpected results. Instead of deleting and recreating everything, CATIA gives us an option to reorder features directly from the specification tree. Let's see how it works. So let's begin. Here I have taken a simple model to clearly demonstrate this feature. On this model, I have created some circles, and now let's generate a pocket feature. Invoke the pocket command and I'm giving the through all option here. So the hole is created. Yes. Next, I'm applying a shell feature. Now you can see that through pocket we created earlier has also been shelled, which is not the result I was expecting. What I actually wanted was a clean hole through the shelled surface. This is exactly where the reorder feature option becomes useful. Without redoing or deleting any sketches or features, you can simply reorder them to get the correct results. Let me show you how. In the specification tree, you can see that the shell feature currently comes after the pocket feature. But what we need is the shell to appear before the pocket. To do this, right-click on the shell feature to bring up the context menu, and from there, go to the menu and choose Reorder. A dialog box will appear, showing the shell feature that needs to be shifted. In the drop-down, you can choose whether to place it before or after another feature. In this case, let's choose before and then select the pocket feature as a reference because we need to keep the shell feature before the pocket feature. If you want, you can also move feature after another in the same way. Now click OK. You will notice that the feature disappears or gets deactivated. And in the specification tree, you can see the change. Now the pocket feature has become after the shell feature. Now let's activate the features. To activate it again, go to the pocket feature in the specification tree, right click and select Define in Work Object. Now you will clearly see the difference. The shell has been applied first and the hole has been created through it without being affected. This gives us the expected result. So that's how you can use reorder feature in CATIA to correct the sequence of operations quickly and easily. It's a small trick, but it can save you a lot of time and effort during design. Try it out in your own projects and you will see how useful it is. For more such tips and tutorials, stay tuned to this channel. Thank you.